Are you ready to step into the future of home decor? 2025 is all about bold choices, sustainable living, and innovative designs that redefine the way we style our spaces. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just a seasonal refresh, these trends will inspire you to create a home that's stylish, functional, and uniquely yours. Stay tuned as we dive into the top home decor trends for 2025. Trend 1: Sustainability meets style. Sustainability continues to reign supreme in 2025, with eco-friendly materials and upcycled decor pieces taking center stage. Think furniture made from reclaimed wood, decor crafted from recycled glass, and even textiles woven from natural fibers like hemp and organic cotton. It's all about blending style with conscious living. Trend 2: Maximalist color palettes. Say goodbye to minimalism and hello to vibrant maximalist colors. Jewel tones, rich earthy hues, and daring color combinations are making their way into homes. Expect to see bold wallpapers, statement rugs, and colorful furniture that inject personality into every room. Trend 3: Curved and organic shapes. In 2025, we're embracing curves. From rounded sofas to arched doorways and circular coffee tables, organic shapes are softening interiors and creating a sense of flow. These designs not only look modern but also add a touch of comfort and elegance to your home. Trend 4: High-tech smart homes. Technology is transforming home decor in unprecedented ways. Smart lighting systems, voice-activated devices, and futuristic furniture with built-in tech features are enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Imagine a living room that adjusts its ambience with just your voice. Trend 5: Nature-inspired spaces. Bringing the outdoors in is a trend that keeps growing. Indoor gardens, statement greenery, and natural stone accents are perfect for creating a serene and calming environment. Pair this with large windows to maximize natural light, and you'll feel connected to nature even in the busiest city. Trend 6: Layered textures. 2025 decor is all about layering textures to add depth and dimension to your spaces. Combine soft velvets with rustic woods, smooth ceramics with textured linens, or metallic accents with woven decor. The key is to create a tactile experience that's as inviting as it is visually stunning. Trend 7: Art-driven interiors. Art takes center stage in 2025. Oversized wall art, sculptural furniture, and unique decor pieces are becoming statement-making elements. Don't shy away from mixing styles and mediums, let your artistic side shine. These home decor trends for 2025 are a mix of creativity, sustainability, and innovation. Which trend are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Transform your space and make it future-ready.